Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 4C. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of solution of this PDF. If you need answer of this PDF, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of solution of any subject, any course, any degree. So if you have any problem in any degree, and you can refer also to your friends if they have they are lacking in the studies and they are suffering from the any type of issues and the problems, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of solutions in a day. The question number 4C is that describe the five processes involved in the generation of microwave waves in a vacuum tube and device with the help of an example of a reflex klystron oscillator. So we have prepared all the answers according to the word limits, which is 5 marks. And so if you need answers, so please contact us. We provide all type of solutions. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.